The proper exponential form of 0.0032 in FORTRAN 77 is A 3.2 E3, B 0.0032, C 0.00032 EI, D 0.032 E1. The correct answer is 3.2 E3. Which of the following integer expressions is correct in Pascal? A ABM, B ADIV B mod C, C A 4.0, D ABD. The correct answer is ABM. An advantage of memory interlacing is that A larger memory is obtained, B effective speed of memory is increased, C cost of memory is reduced, D a non-volatile memory is obtained. The correct answer is effective speed of memory is increased. The number of operators to accomplish basic arithmetic in Java is A4, B5, C6, D7. The correct answer is 5. The signals in 8086 are classified into A minimum mode and maximum mode, B decrement mode and increment mode, C low mode and high mode, D none of the above. The correct answer is minimum mode and maximum mode. Consider the following statements about constants in 8085. A 1, 2 and 3 only, B 1, 3 and 4 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 2 and 4 only. The correct answer is 1, 3 and 4 only. Internally, the two distinct units of 8086 are called A bus interface unit and execution unit, B command unit and follow unit, C master unit and slave unit, D memory unit and operation unit. The correct answer is bus interface unit and execution unit. Which of the following directives in 8085 causes 1 byte to be reserved in the memory? A DS, B DB, C DW, D EQU. The correct answer is EQU. The chip 8259 is A programmable interrupt controller, B programmable peripheral interface, C I/O device, D memory chip. The correct answer is programmable interrupt controller. A computer memory is an ordered sequence of storage cells. A true, B false, C D. The correct answer is true. Which one is true for writing array variable in Pascal? The general form of an array variable is an integer or a real variable name followed by subscripts enclosed within square brackets. The subscripts are separated by commas. B. The general form of an array variable must be an integer name followed by subscripts enclosed within square brackets. The subscripts are separated by commas. C. The subscripts in array variable must be separated by dots. D. The subscripts must be enclosed within parentheses. The correct answer is the general form of an array variable is an integer or a real variable name followed by subscripts enclosed within square brackets. The subscripts are separated by commas. In 8085, which of the following is an 8-bit register? A, B SP, C PC, D both A and B. The correct answer is A. What does the instruction PCHL in 8085 do? A. Load the program counter with contents of register pair HL. B. Double the contents of register pair HL. C. Shift the contents of register pair HL by 1 bit to the right. D. Shift the contents of register pair HL by 1 bit to left. The correct answer is load the program counter with contents of register pair HL. In a multiprocessor configuration, two coprocessors are connected to host 8086 processor. The instruction sets of the two coprocessors A must be same, B may overlap, C must be disjoint, D must be the same as that of host. The correct answer is must be the same as that of host. Virus is A computer hardware problem, B an operating system, C a computer program, D a computer language. The correct answer is a computer program. Consider the following statements. A all, B 1 and 2 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is 1 and 3 only. To add 8-bit words to IC 74181 can be cascaded. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. The initial contents of ACC and CY in 8085 are A1 and 00000011, B0 and 00000011, C1 and 00000001, D0 and 00000001. The correct answer is 1 and 00000011. A microprocessor needs memory chips and input-output chip to form a microcomputer. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. The maximum number of alphabets, digits or special symbots for character constants in C is A1, B2, C4, D8. The correct answer is 1. Windows automatically starts CD player when one inserts audio CD in CD-ROM drive. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. In 8086 the word address is A the address of the least significant byte, B the address of most significant byte, C either A or B depending on the word, D neither A nor B. The correct answer is the address of the least significant byte. The instruction MOV R1 R2 in 8085 A causes contents of registers R2 to be moved to R and uses register addressing. B causes contents of registers R1 to be moved to R2 and uses register addressing. C causes contents of registers R1 to be moved to R2 and uses register immediate addressing. D causes contents of registers R2 to be moved to R1 and uses register immediate addressing. The correct answer is causes contents of registers R2 to be moved to R and uses register addressing. Which 8085 instruction causes exchange of contents of stack pointer with the contents of HL register pair? A XTHL, B PCHL, C LHLD, D MBIA. The correct answer is XTHL. The four types of integers in Java are called A byte short int and long, B bit byte short and long, C nibble byte short and long, D nibble byte int and long. The correct answer is byte short int and long. Consider the following statements about data structures in Pascal. A all, B 1 and 2 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is 1 and 3 only. In the expression 3242 in FORTRAN 77, which exponentiation is performed first? A 42, B 24, C 32, D all exponentiation are performed together. The correct answer is 42. Which of the following is not an interrupt line in 8085? A trap, B RST 5.5, C. RST 7.5. D. RST 9.5. The correct answer is RST 9.5. In 8085 floor register has 8 bits. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The general purpose register code for accumulator in 8085 is A. 111, B. 000, C. 001, D. 1111. The correct answer is 111. Which of the following is not an internal DOS command? A. VER, B. Copy, C. MEM, D. Date. The correct answer is MEM. In 8085 high level on INTR line can be recognized only if A. Trap and RST lines are high, B. Trap and RST lines are not high, C. Trap line is high but not RST line, D. RST line is high but not trap line. The correct answer is trap and RST lines are not high. The word size accessible at a time from the memory subsystem depends on A. Width of data bus, B. Width of address bus, C. Width of control bus, D. Both B and C. The correct answer is width of data bus. In Windows the middle button of mouse is not used. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Microprocessor 8088 has A. 16-bit registers and 16-bit data bus, B. 8-bit registers and 8-bit data bus, C. 8-bit registers and 16-bit data bus, D. 16-bit registers and 8-bit data bus. The correct answer is 16-bit registers and 8-bit data bus. Which of the following is not a special purpose peripheral? A. Programmable DMA controller, B. Programmable floppy disk controller, C. Programmable hard disk controller, D. Programmable CRT controller. The correct answer is Programmable DMA controller. Which of the following is a valid variable in FORTRAN 77? A. 3A, B. alpha 3, C. alpha 3, D. alphac. The correct answer is alpha 3. In Pascal, an array declaration provides information to the Pascal processor to enable it to A. Identify the variable as an array name, B. Reserve memory locations to store all the components of array, C. Check the values computed for subscripts expressions during program execution with the specified lower and upper limits of subscripts, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In which of the following instructions of 8085 are the contents of accumulator complemented? A. STC, B. CMC, C. CMA, D. RAL. The correct answer is CMA. In which of the following logical group instructions of 8085 is the addressing mode immediate? A. ANR, B. ANM, C. ANI data, D. XFAR. The correct answer is ANI data. Which of the following is a valid real constant in FORTRAN 77? A. 1.2 E231, B. 3 E2, C. 3.2 E2.3, D. 1.2 E23. The correct answer is 1.2 E231. Mouse is a very suitable input device for computers. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Which of the following instructions have only one operand? A. Multiply, B. Add, C. Shift, D. Subtract. The correct answer is shift. Which of the following is not a keyword in C? A int, B float, C return, D capital. The correct answer is capital. Rotate instruction in microprocessor belongs to A data transfer group, B arithmetic group, C logic group, D branch group. The correct answer is logic group.